In this video, we will discuss the one more important topic in the LPM course, that is common animal husbandry terms. Generally, what we refer to the animals directly as cattle, buffalo, sheep, goat, pig, and horse. But in professional way, there are some different terminologies are given to the specific animal, and we have to use those terms. So let us start with the details, those which we refer. Those include the species, group of animal, adult male, young male, young female, newborn one, castrated male, sterilized female, female with its offspring, act of parturition, act of mating, the cry or the sound made by the animal, and the chromosome numbers. And now let us start with the cattle: buffalo, sheep, goat, pig, and horse. The first one is the species. Species of cattle is bovine, and buffalo, it is also called as bovine. Sometimes it is referred as bovine. And a species of sheep is ovine, goat, caprine, pig, swine, horse, that is equine. Now let us come to the a group of animals. The group of cattle is called as herd, and for buffalo it is also herd. And the group of sheep is flock, and goat, it is also referred as flock, and sometimes it is called as band. And the group of pig, it is called as drove, herd, or stock. And group of horse, it is pack. This one is important. The group of horse is pack. Now let us look at the what we refer to the adult male. And the adult male of cattle is bull, and for buffalo is buffalo bull, and for sheep it is ram, and for goat it is buck, and in case of pig we referred it as boar, and for horse that is stallion, adult male horse. Likewise, now let us come to the adult female. Adult female of cattle we refer it as cow, and for buffalo it is she buffalo or buffalo cow, and for sheep that is ewe, and for goat it is doe, and for pig it is sow, and for horse it is mare. In cattle, bull, cow, buffalo bull, and she buffalo. In case of buffalo, for sheep, the male will be called as ram or tup, and the female will be ewe. When it comes to the goat, where we refer to buck and doe, and in case of pig, boar and sow, and in case of horse, that is stallion and mare. Now let us come to the young male. In case of cattle, we refer it as bull calf, and like the adult male we refer as bull. The young male is bull calf. Calf is referred to the young one. Likewise, in case of buffalo, we refer it as buffalo bull calf, that is young male of buffalo. And in case of sheep, that is ram lamb. Lamb is the young one of sheep. And in case of goat, here we referred to young male of goat is buckling or male kid. And in case of pig, uh, the young male is called as bourling, and in case of horse that is colt. Now let us come to the young female. Young female of cattle is heifer calf, and for buffalo is buffalo heifer calf, and in case of sheep that is ewe lamb or gimmer lamb, and in case of goat that is goatling, and in case of pig that is gilt, and in case of horse the young female is filly. Filly in case of horse, and gilt in case of pig. These two are the different terms which we must remember. Now the newborn one is called as calf in case of cattle, buffalo calf in case of buffalo, lamb for sheep, kid for goat, and piglet, the young one of pig is called as piglet, and the young one of horse is called as foal. Now let us come to the castrated male. In case of cattle, castrated male is called as bullock, and for buffalo it is buffalo bullock, and in case of sheep that is wedder, and sometimes wedder is also referred in goat, and it is also referred as castrated. And in case of pig, the castrated male is called as hog or stag or barrow, and in case of castrated male in case of horse is gelding or geld. Now let us come to the sterilized female. In case of cattle, buffalo, sheep, goat, and a pig, the sterilization of a female is called as the spade. And in case of horse also, it is called as spade. The sterilized female is called as spade. Now let us come to the term used for the female with its offspring. And that is whenever the animal is pregnant, and we refer to that animal with a different term. If that is cattle, then we refer to that as calf at foot, and for buffalo it is also the calf at foot, and for sheep we referred it as a suckling, and for goat it is also suckling, and for pig it is also suckling, and in case of horse, the female with its offspring, we referred it as foal at foot. And now let us come to the act of parturition. In case of cattle, the act of parturition we call it as calving, and in case of buffalo, it is same, that is calving, and in case of sheep, that is lambing, and in case of goat, it is kidding, and in case of pig, that is farrowing, and in case of horse, it is called as foaling. These two are the bit different. We should have to remember. Now let us come to the act of mating. In case of both cattle and buffalo, it is called as serving, and in case of sheep, it is tupping, and but in case of goat, it is serving. Coupling, coupling is used in act of mating of pigs, and covering it is used in case of the horse. Now the sound or the cry produced by the animal. Buffalo and cattle, the sound produced by them, we refer it as bellowing, and for sheep, we refer it as bleating, and in case of goat, it is bleating, and in case of pig, the cry or the sound produced by the pig is grunting, and the sound produced by the horse is neighing. Now let us look at the difference of chromosomal number. In case of cattle, there is 60, and in case of buffalo, it is 50, and in case of sheep, that is 58, and goat 60, pig include 38, and horse which has 64 chromosome numbers. This is about the topic common animal husbandry terms.